intro. Let me know if I ate or whatever. But yeah, today I'm going to show you how to apply a glueless wig behind the hairline for a more natural effect. But anyway, let's get into it. Alright, hey y'all, so let's get into it. As you can see, I have my glueless wig in my hand and some dookie braids in my head. Clearly, I don't follow any braid patterns. I just do what I need to do. I'm placing the wig on top of my braids, and I'm going to place it on that second row of braids behind that first row. Once I have that situated, I'm now going in and adjusting my wig clips to keep the wig secure and in place while I sew. Between each step, you're going to see me brushing my hair a lot. This is so I can avoid tangling if I have to sew or if I have to adjust the wig. As you can see, I'm going back in and adjusting the wig and the wig clips to make sure it's sitting directly on top of that second row of braids. This is a very important step because if the wig isn't directly on top of that second row, you basically have nothing to sew the wig down onto. Okay, so this is also a very important step. Don't judge me because I use the wrong side of the tool, but what you're going to do is you're going to actually part the wig directly behind that second row of braids. This is actually going to make it a lot easier for you to insert the needle directly under the braid. This is me getting my needle and thread together. It took me absolutely forever. I don't know why, but yeah, make sure you get that. As you can see, I'm adjusting the wig one more time to make sure it's sitting exactly where I want it to sit and that the part is directly behind that second row of braids, so it's easier for me to sew. So this is the part that can get a little confusing or difficult, but what you're going to do is you're going to take the needle and put it through the part on the lace. You're going to put it under the braid and bring it right back through the lace. Make sure that you bring the needle back through the lace while keeping the wig in place so it doesn't pull back when you pull the thread. Once you make that first knot, make sure that the wig is still in place so it doesn't move once you finish your sewing. And now you're going to keep on sewing and doing the same thing until you reach the end of the lace or the end of the braid on your head. The reason why I said earlier it's important to keep the hair detangled because it's easy for the hair to get stuck in the thread while you're sewing, like it did right here. But now I'm going to finish sewing this side and y'all can see how I do that through the rest of this clip. get a little tangled here again, but I'm gonna fix that really fast. Alright, so this is what it looks like once one side is done and secured. I'm going back through and brushing one more time to make sure nothing's tangled or got stuck in thread. And y'all, please make sure to secure your thread once you're done, or it's literally going to fall out. But yeah, this side is done and secure. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. My hair ended up getting tangled here again, so I literally had to go in and fix it closer to the camera. I wish I could show you exactly what I did, but I really don't know. This is me finishing up this side. As you can see, I go to the end of the lace because this is a closure, but if you had a full lace that you wanted to sew down, you would go to the end of your braid to make sure it's secure. So this is what it looks like when both sides are sewn down. You can still see the lace, but that's because it's behind the hairline, but we'll even go back and fix that later on. I'm gonna say it one more time for y'all. Do not forget to secure that thread. Right here, I'm gonna try to adjust the part a little bit to get it more even and to make it blend a little more. To get a more blended and seamless effect, you can add some concealer onto the lace and onto your scalp. I just decided not to do that because really for this video, I'm just showing how to install it. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I go in and style my hair usually. You don't have to follow this, but I just like to add a little curls into my hair. Here, I felt like my part was still a little uneven, so I'm actually going in with a black Sharpie to fix it and to adjust the part. Don't judge me. Alright, so to make it look more blended, when I flat iron my two little pieces of hair in the front, I also flat iron the wig hair with it, but I flat iron it forward so it can cover any leftover lace. I got you, didn't I? But no, seriously, I keep doing that until it's blended seamlessly. I try to use as little leave out as possible so I don't damage my hair entirely. Now I'm gonna go through and curl my hair, but I'm gonna speed through this because y'all don't have to follow this directly. This is how it came out. I'm absolutely obsessed. This is such an easy hairstyle to do, and you can do this with any old wig. But yeah, I hope I taught y'all at least something, and I hope to see y'all rocking this hairstyle too. But yeah, this is the final look, and that's the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know if y'all want anything else from me. See y'all.